National Weather Service has issued a particularly dangerous
Severe weather statement. National Weather Service Norman OK 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time on May 3, 1999. Tornado emergency in South Oklahoma City metro area. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large tornado was moving along Interstate 44 west of Newcastle. On its present path, this large, damaging tornado will enter southwest sections of the Oklahoma City metro area between 7:15 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Persons in Moore and South Oklahoma City should take immediate tornado precautions. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in the path of this large and destructive tornado, take cover immediately. Doppler radar has indicated this storm may contain destructive hail to the size of baseballs, or larger.